Hello guys, welcome back today. Welcome back. So first I'll appreciate you guys, and also you'll allow me to use both languages, Kiswahili and English. Yeah, so that it becomes fair to everyone who's watching. So ningechukua wakati kuwakaribisha nyote na kuwashukuru kwamba na kujiunga na kuchukua fursa hii kusikiza na kujua. Naam, so leo guys, as I promised that I will release a video, a practical video of using the same concept which we learned there before. So guys, today it is the same concept which we are using, the same chord progression, but we are not going to use chords today. We are going to solo. So it's a practical lesson guys, as I told you before. Na leo ni wakati wa practical majamaa, so ufurahi na mjiunge. So kabla nianze, ningechukua wakati kusema kwamba there was one of you who requested me to play in another chord progression. So guys, I would like to tell you that nimetimiza ahadi, kwa sababu ahadi ni deni. Tunacheza kwa the key of D. Yes, kama nilivyokuahidi kwamba nitafanya video ya key of D. So I've done this for you, yeah, because I appreciate you and because I care more about you guys. Yes, we are family, so we need to grow together and do everything together guys. So we will do a song, a practical song which called Cover.I, Agape band. Bwana amenibariki Naruka Cover.I. So we will do that song, and it is not hard, it is easy. Actually the song is the key, it is in the key of D. Hiyo nyimbo iko kwa key of D chord guys. So tuanze. Haya, tunapaswa kujua our major scale. We are supposed to know our major scale. So itakuwa inanipiga chenga nikiongea Kiswahili na Kiswahili wakati mmoja, lakini nataka kila mtu aweze kuelewa. Haya, tunapaswa kujua our major scale. So our major scale iko kwa D chord. Yes, iko kwa 9. Yes. Sikuwa nimekosea. Sijui kana ni 9, 10, I think so hapo. Our major scale iko hapo. So guys, ni penye nimemaster hii guitar, so like najua frets zikiwa hivi, najua manidi yuko lakini sijui number. So yeah, so guys, unapaswa kujua before you start a seben. Before you start a seben, you're supposed to know your root number, your root chord before you start a seben. So like you're supposed to know your root chord. So if you know your root chord, you will manage to play the seben. So our root chord here is D. So in the key of D we have D, we have E, F sharp, G, A, B and C sharp. So hii nyimbo tutacheza seben yetu, our seben will start on the key of D because hapo ndo root chord. So in the key of D guys. So tuanze kama nilivyoonyesha, tunaanza huku chini, tunatumia hizi strings mbili. we are using these two strings to make that 7 sound. So you're supposed to know your major scale, the major scale of D chord. You're supposed to know it. I will not go back to that. And if you didn't you don't know the concept of wheel, so you can watch that video, how to start 7. You'll learn something from there. So you're supposed to know your major scale and your pentatonic scale. Remember, whenever you play, remember, your major scale has the pentatonic scale way down below. So if you play the major scale, the pentatonic scale is way down. So let's start, guys. So tutaanza hapa kwa D. Hiyo nyimbo inaanza hapa. It's the same as playing a D chord. So we won't play the D chord, guys. Tutacheza D chord, tutacheza the two strings. Hizi strings ziko hapa chini. Hiyo ndio ina represent our D chord. It's the same as one. So we are descending. So let's play our major scale. So the notes which we are interested with is this one, nimeingia kwa pentatonic scale. So we are in hiyo first phrase here. Hii ni D, so tuta descend D, E, F sharp, E, then D, D, F, E, F sharp, E, D. Okay, guys. So we are interested with that. So if you realize vizuri, we are tunacheza kwa major scale, tunaingia kwa pentatonic scale. So tunaingia kwa pentatonic scale. So tunacheza major scale na tunaingia kwa pentatonic scale. So how am I playing that? Nashika hizi notes mbili, E na E, our E strings and B string. Then tunaenda kwa our third string which is a G string. Then tunacheza E note, F sharp, ini G, F sharp, E, D. Sawa. G, F sharp, E, D. Yeah. So tunacheza hivi. Make sure your finger ina press hizi string mbili kwa major scale. Major scale. Juu hapa ni 8, 9, 10. Major scale ya D iko kwa 10 fret. 10 fret. Major scale iko kwa 10 fret. Haya. Tunacheza hapa. Then so hapa unacheza hizi strings mbili, B na G. So hizi strings mbili. So another strings tunafanya hapa hizi strings mbili. Then we are interested with this note here, iko kwa major scale. pentatonic scale, which is same as 6, a B minor. So your first phrase hapo. Umeona venye tumecheza hapa kwa D, decreasing, 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 then tena hiyo note, alafu ani tunamaliza na 2 strings. Tunaanza na 2 strings, tunacheza 1 single note, 2 strings, then tena anza 2 strings, 1 single note, anza 2 strings. Ni hivyo, na hiyo ndo our first phrase. So like I don't want the video to be so long, guys, and I want you to you crack it easily. So hiyo ni our first phrase. Hiyo ukishika hiyo utaenda kwa huko chini, so 1 tuko 10 fret, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So kwa 15 fret, so 15 fret utacheza hii, utashika venye nilionyesha kwa how to know your 7th fretboard. So go and check it out and you'll know the concept of this. So utacheza hivi, is it 2 strings, then so is it 2 strings, from 14 frets on the 3rd string, which is a G string, then 15 frets on the B string, then 14 on the E string, 17 on the E string, then back to 15 on the E string. So follow that concept and you'll be able to play. Then you answer the question, like you're asking a question. You feel that with this. So from the 14, 13, 12, 12 to 10. Okay, 12, 10. Then you play the same phrase. So okay guys, so start with that concept. We will continue. Stay tuned to the another full song which we will continue playing it, guys. Actually today I'm not feeling well, that's why the video is so short, and that's why I'm not even, my moods are not good. Sorry though, it's so personal. I don't know even why am I sharing, but you are my family, that's why I'm sharing. So today I'm not like in a good mood, like I'm sick. Yeah, so pray for me, guys. So anyways guys, please subscribe to my channel. Don't let any lesson to pass you or to or to skip any lesson, please subscribe guys and join the channel. And please support me, because I'm doing all this, I'm putting all my effort because of you guys. The way I'm shooting the video, so like hectic, inanipatia struggle. Like I'm putting more effort guys because of you guys. I'm doing everything, the research, everything for you guys, so that you grow also and have a great play in your guitar journey. Naomba majamaa mweze kusubscribe please from the YouTube channel, na usipitwe na chochote, usipitwe na chochote. So tell me how was the video, please comment there in the comment section. Tell me how was the video, have you got it, or do you understand what I'm saying or telling you guys? So please also pray for me guys. Yeah, okay, so see you next time. We continue with the same concept. Yeah, so we will like crack the full song and play along. Thank you guys for joining, for tuning. I appreciate you. I appreciate every guitarist who is in our channel, and I respect you guys. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. See you another time.